Hey everyone, welcome back to the High-Tech Software Solutions channel, and this is our part 8 of the tutorial. And in the last video we worked on how to upload our photos related to a gallery and how to show them inside our galleries. And in this video we will probably work on how to be able to update our photos inside our galleries. So let's start. First of all, we need to log into our system. As you can see, these are all the galleries that we have. But before we proceed, I want to say, guys, that any one of you, if didn't have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to not miss the updates. So let's start. Guys, related to our previous videos, in this tutorial I noticed an error, and the error was that when we try to upload large files or large size photos, it doesn't upload, and that's because we have to change the max size limit for our PHP and also for the Laravel framework. And for that we have to go to our WAMP server folder or XAMPP server folder, whichever you have installed. In my case, I have installed WAMP server, so we have to go to our WAMP server folder. If we go to our C drive, our WAMP 64 and our bin folder, and in here PHP folder, I am using PHP version 7.3.5. so in here we want to edit our php.ini file. Open it with your code editor. Okay, in here we want to find Control F our upload underscore max file size. As you can see, this is the file size that we want to edit. I already have edited it, but before it was 4M or 5M, so you can change it to 256M. And the other thing that we want to change in here is post underscore max size, and it was also 5M and I changed it to 256M. After changing these two, you have to go to save it and close this file, and after that you have to go to your htaccess file. And in here you have to put these two lines. The first one is php underscore value upload underscore max underscore file size, which will be 256M, and php underscore value post underscore max underscore size 256M. And after that you have to save it and close it. And this will allow you to upload photos with large file sizes. So let's start on our new topic, which is to update our photos. If we check our application, if we go to our galleries, as you can see it has only one photo, and we want to be able to whenever we click on the photo, okay, it should show the information of the photo. It says our route photo edit is not defined. If we go to our code editor and our resources, our views, galleries, and gallery show blade, as you can see this is our edit route for the photos. Oh, sorry guys, we don't need to go to our gallery show, we need to go to our photo show blade. As you can see, this is our photo edit route or link, and after that we need to check our routes file. In here, as you can see, we don't have any route declared for the edit, so I want my edit after photo show by saying route get, the URL should be in galleries slash photos slash edit slash id in brackets, and we want it to go to our gallery controller and our photo edit method, and the name should be also photo edit. Now let's go to our controller, which is in app, HTTP controllers, and our gallery controller. And at the bottom, after our photo show, we can see public function photo edit, and we have an ID, our brackets. First of all, we need to grab the photo from the database, and we want to store it in photo variable equals to our photos or photo model, and find our ID. After that, we want to return our view. So for that, we can say return view, which should be inside galleries /photos /edit. And we also want to pass our photo variable. For that, we can see compact photo. Let's create this view inside our views folder, our photos folder. We can see new file, edit.blade.php, or we can name it as the other files. We can name it photo edit.blade.php, and don't forget to change it also in the method, which should be photo edit. So let's guys copy the form from our photo create blade and paste it inside our photo edit blade. The title should be update photo, and the route should be photo update, and we also want our ID, which is photo arrow ID. Let's create this route to prevent the errors. And after our edit route, we can see route colon post. Our URL should be galleries /photos /update our ID inside brackets, comma. We should go to our gallery controller and our gallery or photo update method. The name should be also photo update. Okay, now let's edit our form. We don't need to update our gallery ID. It should be remain the same, but for the title we can say value double brackets photo variable arrow title, and we can copy this for the photo. If the user don't want to update the photo, so we want to send the old photo name and hidden input. So for that, we can say input type should be hidden, name should be old underscore photo, and for the value we can paste it and say photo arrow photo. And for the text area, inside our text area we can say double brackets our photo variable arrow description. And for the button, the value should be save changes. Let's check it. If I refresh, as you can see, this is our page for the photo edit. Let's jump back to our code and work on the edit or not edit our update method. We created our route and we declared our route to go to which method in our controller. So for that we can say public function photo update, and inside our update we can say request $request, comma, our ID, our photo ID. The first thing that we need is to grab the ID from the database, and we want to store it in our photo variable equals to our photo model colon find our id. After that we want to save the title and the description. So for that we can say photo arrow title equals to our request variable arrow title. After that we want our description, photo arrow description equals to request arrow description. After these two, now we want to save our photo file inside the database and also inside our photos folder. But before that we need to check for a file submission, or or we want to check if a user has submitted file, and then we want to update the file and delete the old one and update the new save the new one into the folder and also the database. So for that, first we need to grab our old photo name from the database, and we want to store it inside photo_name variable equals to our photo variable arrow photo field. After grabbing the photo file from the database, we can say if request has file, and the field name was photo. So we want to update the photo, and instead or else we don't want to update the photo, we will send that hidden input field to the database. So for that we can say photo variable arrow photo field equals to our request arrow old underscore photo. So for the update, first we need to delete the file from the photos folder. So for that we can say unlink public underscore path, and the path was inside galleries folder, inside photos folder slash. Now we want to concatenate our photo name that we grabbed from the database, which is photo underscore name. So after unlinking our photo from the folder, now we want to update the new file. So for that we can say new photo equals to our request arrow file, and the field name is photo. After this we want the extension for our file. So for that we can say new underscore photo underscore ext equals to new underscore photo arrow get client original extension, get client original extension. After that we want to declare our name for the photo, which should be random, and we want to store it in new photo underscore name equals to rand from 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 6 nines 1 2 3 4 5 6. And we also want to concatenate our extension with this name, our photo or not photo, new photo underscore extension. After this we want to declare the path for our photo. For that we can say new photo underscore path equals to public underscore path, and our galleries folder, then our photos folder slash. Now we want to move the photo to the folder. So for that we can say new underscore photo arrow move. First we need our path, which is new underscore photo path, and then the new file name, which is new photo name. And along with this we also want to save the photo inside our database. For that we can say photo variable arrow photo field equals to or not our request, our new photo name. And finally now we want to save everything to the database. For that we can say photo arrow save, and after saving everything, now we want to return our redirect. For that we can say return redirect route, and the route should be photo show, and we also want our ID. So guys, this was all the code that we needed for our photo update. Now let's go and try it if it works. So if I refresh and change this photo to photo description, and this one also to photo edited, if I save the changes, as you can see, it redirected us back to our photo show page, and our title has been edited, our description has been also edited. Now let's change our photo also. If we edit and choose a file, let's choose this one and save changes. Oh guys, I found the problem, and it was this one silly mistake. Instead of comma we have to declare concatenation, which should be dot. And if we try it now, let's refresh the page, and I want to change this photo. If I save changes, as you can see, our photo has been updated, and if I refresh the database, and here also it has changed. And if we see our publics folder, this is the new photo that we updated. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This was all for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not miss the updates. Also hit the bell icon, and in the next video we will probably work on delete, and I will also talk about some other cool functionalities to add in our project. So guys, see you in the next video. For now, bye.